Hi guys, and I don't know if I've started this vlog or not, but if I haven't, welcome back to another vlog. Today I just finished wrapping presents, and then now I'm going over to decorate a few trees, which I will show you. So yeah, it's exciting. And I'm going to keep vlogging it so I can be vlogging when Dean comes into the car so you can get like really mad. And do you want to say hello to my brother Dean?
What the fuck? Turn this shit off.
See what I mean? I have now sorted out like the numbers of the branches all around here, and then the next step will be then like to assemble them and like flip them up a bit. Okay, so I now have the tree assembled. Now it's time to get on to doing the lights and then the decorations. Guys, so I'm sorry about yesterday. Like as soon as I finished up, I just went home because I was literally exhausted. But I just finished up the tree I done for my granny. I done her two Christmas trees. But yeah, so I got today like loads of packages came, like presents and stuff. The aftermath is here. One bag, another bag on the floor here. It's crazy, but I was wrapping my presents for myself, and like one of them was a belt, and I was like, I'm not gonna wrap in that, so I'm just gonna open it, and now I have a new belt, and it's so nice. It's black with like a silver buckle. It's so nice, and it's new as well, so it's like yay. And then tomorrow night I have the 12 pubs in Westport, so I have my Christmas jumper all laid out ready. I'll show you that now. This is my Christmas jumper for the 12 pubs. It's so cute. It's like a little scarf on him. It's so cute. But yeah, I got this in town last day in like a shop called Peacocks. So stupid, but yeah, it was nice. I literally like couldn't find one, and the only shop that had decent ones, so yeah, I got one in there. And I've just been so busy like wrapping presents, and then like loads of, oh my gosh, I didn't know what that was. And then like loads of, oh sorry, and there's like loads of like gifts that just went under the tree there today, so I'll give you a look at them. Like some of them that came, that someone's come up the road. But yeah, there's like so many. Not all these are mine now. Like only like maybe like 40 or maybe 30% of them are mine. Oh my gosh.
Are you serious?
That's so annoying. But yeah, that's just a quick update. I'm not really going to do much vlogging. Like today is Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, and then Sunday's New Year's, Christmas Eve, and then Monday's Christmas Day, so like vlog all that. I put a vlog then, so like I don't want like a lot of it to be these kind of rambling kind of moments like I'm doing now, but like I want most of it to be like, you know, Christmas. So yeah, I'm gonna like say goodbye to you now and see then or tomorrow, I don't know. Alright, bye. Hi guys, so my cousins want to say hi.
No.
Say hello.
Hello.
Do you want to say hello, Dominic? You're all so shy.
You said you were shy.
Jackson.
He got you.
Oh my god, right. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna close off this week's vlog now. I'm so excited because I've just been so busy, like, you know, filming new videos, and I'm really gonna try so hard this year to upload like double what I uploaded last year, because I don't know, I just feel like I didn't upload enough last year, and I really want to upload like at least double. So that's like, I'm gonna try to upload 100 videos this year. I'm gonna try, but I'm not gonna put it like in stone, because you know, life happens and college happens and just work happens, so it's a lot, but I'm willing to put in the effort. And yeah, so I'm just gonna say bye now, and I'll see you next week. And I totally forgot, don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you thought, if it was helpful in any way. I don't know, maybe it might have been. And yeah, just let me know what you thought down below, and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload, like, you know, pretty frequently. Okay, I'm actually rambling now, so I'm just gonna say bye, right?